is Chef Deborah, and today we are going to bake a cake. What kind of cake we are baking for today? So I received boxes of bananas and other boxes of fruits and vegetable. It's too much. I feel like I am the restaurant owner that I am selling this one, or like a vendor. Because when I saw this one, my God, I cannot believe that I can finish this one in 1 week, even 2 months. But what to do? This banana will spoil very fast. That's why I was thinking to make a banana cake. My banana cake is very different from other recipe of banana cake. My banana cake is very moist and so delicious, of course. So, I will make now a banana cake, and of course, thank you so much to the one who gave me this one. I feel that I'm very special, because traveling, going to the market, to the wet market, and then going to my home, traveling almost 1 hour or more than 1 hour, and then my home is in the 3rd floor. So he carry all the vegetable and on the lift, from the pick up to the down to the lift, and then going up to my building, to my room, or to my home. So it's that I really appreciate your effort, and thank you so much. I know you did it because you want me to be happy and you don't like me to be hungry. Really, I saw that you don't like me to be hungry because it's too much. Really, it's not only for 1 day, 2 days. No, it's already like a restaurant. When I go when he bring in my kitchen, you don't know where will I put. I don't know where will I put. Really, because no space also in the chiller. It's too much, really. So thank you so much, and I hope you will give me again. And I will make again a banana cake. No, just kidding. Thank you so much, and I hope you will try also my banana cake. I will send some banana cake for you. I promise this one. Okay? Thank you so much, and now let's start baking now.
enjoy baking with me.